Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to make a custom voice in ElevenLabs. So first you will have to click on the Voice Lab tab or just voices, and then what you will have to do is click the plus icon, and then you will have to select the instant voice cloning option. It should be visible here or here. So you will just have to click on that. And once you're here, you will just have to upload a high quality audio file from the instant voice cloning option. And then you will have to upload an audio file that is around 1 to 5 minutes long with clear speech and minimal background noise. And once it is uploaded, ElevenLabs will generate your custom voice in a few seconds. You can then adjust stability and clarity in the voice settings. Use this custom voice in speech synthesis or projects just like any built-in voice. And that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.